Prior to our trip, we had heard many things about the Goblin Knobs. Tucked into a remote corner of central Nevada sits this parcel of public land, which is administered by the Bureau of Land Management. 61,000 acres of desolate desert landscape and open expanse, free from roads and developments, and populated by twisted rock formations, cacti, and wild creatures. 61,000 acres of natural beauty, which the BLM refuses to acknowledge as having wilderness characteristics, citing proximity to the nearby Highway 375 and a lack of recreation opportunities. But the story we had heard was different. Tales of pressing quiet and unmatched solitude, limitless exploring, and one dramatic tower that stood above the others, known as the Goblin Fang. We weren't sure why this area couldn't have wilderness characteristics, but naturally we had to go there. And so with visions of the Goblin Fang in our minds, we got a late start and arrived in the dark, eager to see what the morning light would bring. Oh, hey, buddy. Some of you might be wondering why I've got this funny rectangular backpack that I've been carrying around. It is in fact a UAS, unmanned aerial system, also known as a drone to many people. This place is not a wilderness or wilderness study area. We hope that it'll be recognized as an LWC, lands with wilderness characteristics, by the Bureau of Land Management. But even as such, there would be no restrictions on flying drones. So we use it just to bring back high quality footage.
Here we go.
That was sick!
Nevada, wild Nevada, with a beauty so clear and stark, really stole my heart, wild Nevada. With a beauty so clear and stark, You really stole my heart, wild Nevada.
Lunch is over. Get back to work.